Step into the powerful world of heavy machinery and massive loads. In today's video, we'll uncover the fascinating secrets behind transporting colossal weights with precision and professionalism. Have you ever witnessed 140 tons of pure trenching power on the move? We're talking about a massive test mech machine, a true giant of the industry. Getting this beast rolling requires some serious hardware. A specialized Goldhover THP/SL trailer and the sheer pulling power of a MAN-TGX 680 WSK heavy-duty tractor. This isn't just transportation. It's a carefully orchestrated dance of giants. A JCB excavator unexpectedly tipped while attempting to climb onto a truck bed, likely due to uneven terrain or operational imbalance. Two other excavators were deployed, skillfully coordinating their booms and buckets to stabilize and safely reposition the compromised machine. Incidents like this underscore the ever-present risks in heavy equipment operations and the critical importance of strictly adhering to safety protocols. Transporting heavy machinery to Huaycan involves navigating dangerously steep slopes. This operation requires the coordination of 7 towing units and a 10-wheel truck to manage approximately 400 tons. The process demands exceptional driving skills and precise teamwork to ensure safety while maneuvering through steep inclines and sharp curves. Witnessing that 500 horsepower steel monster completely crush a school bus was a raw display of power. In just 7 short minutes, it compressed metal and glass as if they were nothing. The sheer force was palpable. My kids and I could only stand in awe, utterly captivated by the controlled destruction.
He's ripping a bus apart!
Get ready for a dynamic look at heavy transport. This impressive Liebherr 964 excavator is starting its journey thanks to Fasula's Heavy Transports. We bring you a fresh perspective on the intricate dance between powerful machinery and precise logistics. Witness how modern techniques and professional handling ensure a seamless transport experience. We are currently observing the precise execution of a complex logistical operation by StatNet Transport AS3. The task involves the strategic relocation of a 92-meter transformer unit from Boilefoss to Harbakken-Kvildal. This maneuver underscores the company's advanced capabilities in handling oversized cargo safely.
Ja, ist noch Film. Ah, was?
After many years in the field, you think you've seen it all. Then you watch someone unload a truck using an excavator, without a ramp or support, relying purely on finesse. It's not just a skill, it's an art honed through countless hours of work. It takes courage, steady hands, and a deep understanding of the machine's balance. Witness the sheer force. We're moving a mighty John Deere 1910G across borders to its new Norwegian post. For heavy machinery lovers, this powerhouse is legendary. Join us to see the impressive journey and meticulous handling required to relocate this giant. It's power in motion you don't want to miss. Witness 3 colossal Butagaz trucks, true titans of the road, navigating the Argent-sur-Soldre roundabout. Each beast weighs a staggering 330 tons, stretches 65 meters long, and looms 8 meters high, carefully transporting a massive tank. Crawling at 10 kilometers per hour, this convoy exceptionnel isn't just transport, it's a jaw-dropping display of engineering might. Let me tell you, working at the landfill eats through equipment like it's breakfast. But BOMAG, those compactors are built differently, incredibly reliable. Want to see real muscle? I've seen them crush 2 cars and flatten them like pancakes. That's the kind of heavy-duty, no-nonsense power you need when things get tough. Witness the colossal task of maneuvering an 800-ton box girder onto a specialized transporter. This isn't just construction, it's a symphony of power and precision, essential for building our high-speed rail future. The engineering finesse on display here meets every challenge head-on. It's a monumental feat of modern engineering you have to see to believe.
Dias atrás tem um rapaz bêbado aí, caiu na rampa da balsa.
Witness the sheer volume of massive big rigs pouring off this ferry at Itaituba. Crossing the Tapajos River, this isn't just transport, it's a vital economic artery in action. The precision needed to load and unload this many heavy trucks onto a single vessel is truly astounding. How do they possibly orchestrate such a feat? It's raw power and efficiency.
Vou pegar.
At Sydhavnen Port in Denmark, a 53-meter-tall silo unexpectedly collapsed in the wrong direction after 6 months of meticulous preparation. The incident caused severe damage to a library, music school, and archive facility. While no casualties were reported, the event shocked the entire city. Authorities confirmed that the explosive demolition had followed all technical protocols.
Helt tilbage til sidste sommer, jeg var ude og kigge første gang, så det er noget, der tager tid. Altså.
Hvor meget krudt er der i siloen?
A serious potential incident involving heavy machinery was averted on Tuesday along Route N919 near Huisterheide. The operator of a mobile tower crane veered too close to the embankment while maneuvering around excavation equipment, causing the vehicle to become partially unstable along the Kolonievart Canal. A coordinated recovery operation was launched and successfully repositioned the crane back onto the roadway by 11 p.m., with minimal visible damage reported. Meet the one-of-a-kind Gerardi Compton oak tree. This is no ordinary tree. It is a 100-year-old historical landmark weighing 235 tons and standing 17 meters tall. When road construction threatened its very existence, an extraordinary solution emerged. A specially designed excavator was tasked with the delicate operation of relocating this living testament to history. Witness the colossal task of relocating components from the Cottam Power Plant to West Burton. Even seasoned experts like ALE Team Number 5 are under immense pressure. A brief miscalculation led the lead vehicle slightly off course. Releasing the stabilizing pin under pressure, the massive machine had to be reversed. A tense fix completed in 10 minutes. But the challenge escalated further. Unit 2GT then had to navigate through North Leverton, already running behind schedule. It's absolutely mind-blowing how that excavator, guided by a master operator, leveled an entire house in merely an hour. The precision, the force, truly a spectacle of controlled destruction. Huge props to the operator for their incredible skill in managing that demolition and directing the fall perfectly. This offers a fresh perspective on infrastructure challenges. Transporting a large turbine in Canton, Connecticut requires innovative thinking. The existing bridge has a creek flowing diagonally beneath it, far from ideal for supporting such massive weight. The solution? Building a dedicated temporary bridge structure directly on top of the current one. It's a modern technique that cleverly adapts to the existing constraints. This driver operates with a unique style, maneuvering the heavy load of rice uphill on the treacherous road as if it were a form of art. It's a signature technique forged out of necessity and honed through experience on these specific, harsh paths. The transportation of critical infrastructure was successfully carried out. A 380 kilovolt transformer weighing 300 tons was moved from Braunau AMN station to the AMAG facility. This operation involved an 81-meter-long heavy-duty transport convoy. The initial 3.9-kilometer phase, requiring meticulous coordination, was completed in approximately 3 hours upon reaching the designated parking area at AMAG. Join Bale brothers on a mission of immense scale as they tackle the monumental task of transporting a staggering 700 to 74,000-pound Superload transformer. This is heavy hauling redefined, a true display of engineered power and precision you won't want to miss. Witness the ground tremble as expertise meets colossal weight in motion. NTC Logistics successfully executed a comprehensive, end-to-end multimodal logistics solution for a 375-ton locomotive. Our services included the strategic deployment and management of specialized assets, including bridge girders and barges, ensuring secure and efficient transport. This project exemplifies our capability in handling complex, high-value cargo with precision. Doolin's Heavy Haulage Division confirms the successful mobilization of 2 Komatsu mining dump trucks designated for the Pilbara region. This complex logistical undertaking underscores our commitment to safety, efficiency, and timely delivery for key resource sector clients. Our specialized fleet and experienced personnel ensure seamless execution. Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. We hope these improvements have sparked your interest and excitement. If you found this video engaging, don't hesitate to hit like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on the unique content coming your way.